Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, I'll explain what the Facebook app is and show you how to use it to connect with friends, share updates and explore content. Let's get started. Facebook is a social media platform where you can connect with friends and family, share photos and videos, post updates, join groups and follow pages for news, entertainment and many more. It is one of the largest social networks in the world, available on both iOS and Android devices. Now to get started, first you need to go to your app store and download your app if you haven't. So go to the app store, then search Facebook on your search bar. After this icon pops up, tap on that and then tap on install and open up your app. Open the app and sign up with the email or phone number, or if you have an account, you just log in. Then add a profile picture, cover photo and bio by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom of the page. So go to your profile, tap on your profile and then edit your bios, profile picture, cover photo and everything. Home tab shows posts from friends, pages and groups you follow. Scroll down to see updates, photos and new videos. Then to share a status, photo or video, tap on what's on your mind at the top of the page right here. Tap on that. Tap on your profile picture or the camera icon right here to create a story that disappears after 24 hours. Then use the menu to find and join groups that match your interests or follow pages for new and entertainment. You can tap the messenger icon to chat privately with your friends. So here's the messenger icon at the top of your page. Tap on that to chat privately with your friends right from here. And that's a quick guide to the Facebook app and to stay connected with your friends and family. I hope this video helped you out, guys. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.